Hey, yo, Tick Daddy, Cody, yo, Real NV, Sly Fox, K Soliman, Miss Goody, Keegan Murphy, Tenerife, Robin. What's up, guys? What's going on? Damn. I'm just looking. I'm just watching gold fucking rip, and I got, you know, peanuts. I got fucking table scraps when I could have. I mean, I got out of this last. I'll show you guys in a second. I got out of this last position 117 ticks ago. I mean, granted, yeah, I just got to fucking hold longer. I really do. Could be having some banger days, especially in my Take Profit Trader accounts. Kasalisk, Cube, what up? What up? Konija, yeah, I've been wanting to, but it's hard for me to do it in the morning in the room that I'll be working from in this house because my daughter's sleeping in the room right next to it. And then my other daughter is sleeping down the hall. Like all the kids' rooms are like one after the other. And then my wife is on the other side of the room. All the bedrooms are upstairs. So until I'm waiting on something for my setup that should solve that problem, but I don't know exactly when it's coming. Sometime this month. But now I'm here in my garage. It's a mess. I still haven't put it all together. There's my sauna. There's my what's going to be, my home gym, my squat rack. My squat rack is on the floor over there. I got to put it together. There's the fucking, fuck a Ferrari. Fuck a Porsche. There's my fucking 2005 LS430. Fucking hate me now. There it is, bro. Don't fucking hate. I'm here in my garage, about to drop some knowledge. Right, Benny, what up, yo? What up? I got the garage floor epoxy. I don't know if you could see that. I did that. I got that done like as soon as we moved in. Was able to. I send leads to a guy that does epoxy out here for probably 4 or 5 years since I've been here, and I finally got to use him for my own garage. So he did a great job. David Schneider, what's up? Desmond, Carlos. Carlos, in Vegas, everything went up, but you get, more bang for your buck out here, clearly. my house in Long Island that I sold at the bottom for $672,000 right before COVID is worth more than this house. And it's smaller. It's on more property, but it's just different. What the fuck are my dogs barking? Well, it's really just Harvey. That house on Long Island is worth 1.1 to 1.2 million now, it's a 2,500 square foot home, a cookie cutter colonial. Nice house, don't get me wrong, but 1.2 million nice? I don't fucking know. Hey yo. What's the activation fee for Apex? I'll show you guys. Yeah, 90% off. You see, guys, Futures Link, what up, man? Watch, I'll show you. Where is it? Oh, I got to turn my screen on. Hold on. Let me just make sure I'm logged into all my accounts that I want you guys to see, on stream. But I want to make sure I'm logged in. So 1 second. I think I just got to log into my Bullinox account. But from what I saw, I got to get more Lucid accounts. Fuck me, man. Probably should get them for FOMC. what was I going to say? The activation fee on the 25, 50, and 100Ks is $65. And on the 50, on the 150, 250, and 300, it's $125. But I'm pretty sure, let me go into my Apex account. Yo. I want to see if I'm pretty sure they like discounted them or something, you know what I mean? But hey, I can't even get to the order page. The fucking database, they're getting hammered right now. I could grab well charts though. Of course I could grab well charts. The Tradeovate order page is getting hammered right now. Hammered. Yo, the 150s are the same price as the 50s. Let's see about the 250s. Let me just see here. Yeah, they're all, oh my God. Guys, hey chat. Let me just turn this shit off. Look, chat. I'm going to show you my screen in just a second. I got to hide all the I got to put all my OnlyFans tabs away, you know, because I'm a content creator. Hey, chat. All right, so we got that taken care of. Watch. Here in my garage. All right, look at this. The 250s, the 150s, the 250s, and the 300s are the same price as the 50Ks. They're all $19.60 when you put in the best code 0DayJ. You see that? 250. Here's the promotion. 90% off the first month. All evals. Oh, there it is right there. All evals. $19.60, 90% off. They're all the same price. The only difference is the lifetime activation fee for the 25, 50, and 100Ks are $65. And for the 150, 250, and 300 is $125. Obviously, keep this in mind. If you blow your eval, if you grab some evals and you blow whatever ones you blow, make sure you cancel your subscription so you don't get dinged for 50%. You know what I mean? You got to remember to go through them. It's happened to me. So I go through them with regularity. Who else is here before I start showing my accounts? Let's look at my favorite. Oh my God, look at fucking gold. Whoops. Look at gold. Just look at it. Sometimes when you see it, you just have to look at it. I love gold. So this might be a good spot. Look. You see, guys. And then if I draw one here, chat, you see, chat. This one wicked over the 786, but it's back in the golden shower pocket. You see, guys, what's NQ doing? NQ's moving pretty good considering normally like it waits around for FOMC before the real moves happen. But look at this shit. Look at this fucking perfect fucking 786 rejection. Look, so here's a high. We got a low, and then we come back up, we retrace, and then we hit the 786 and fucking dump what? 720. We dumped almost 200 points. Chat. You see that, guys? Hey, chat. You see chat? Thanks, chat. Nayo, what's up? What's up? I think it's a lighting thing. I did notice that. It does look good. Konija, I think it's a lighting issue more than anything. I haven't touched it. This internet's not even like this. Whatever internet I have out here, it's the same provider, but I don't get the same bandwidth here than I did in the other house. I get half as much. JB, Coach Fred, Markel, Jack Boom, Vince, Rick. Yeah, PA fees. Yeah. I mean, it's a trade-off. It's, either it's their $60. You got to look at the total cost of it. They like to fucking finagle with all that shit. I wish they would have just done, $6 lifetime activation fee. But hey, one can dream. Mob Barley, what up? Isaac, what's good? Investars. Oh my God, no way. 35 days, bro. That's a long time, though. Be proud of yourself. That's a long time. You should be proud to be able to hold on to an account that long. And you got payouts from it. That's all that matters. Just do it again. Vince, let's say what's up to everybody. Casalisk, I think I saw you. What up, Jay? Cody, Robert Gallus, Felix the Cat. Just ain't right. Mwah. How big is the new house? I don't want to flex, guys. I don't want to flex. This new trailer is pretty big, though. But since you asked, I'll only answer if Desmond's still here, I'll answer the question. V33, what up? The house I was renting, the house I was in before for 4 years, which happened to be Steve Aoki's fucking mom's house. That house was 3,680 square feet. The biggest house I've ever been in. This house is, what is this house? I'll tell you in a second. 3,976. And it actually has a decent sized lot for Vegas. I actually have I have a yard in the front, in the back, like a yard area in the back. And then I have a yard on the side because I'm in a cul-de-sac. I'm in a cul-de-sac and I'm in like the best spot in the cul-de-sac. So I have some yard on the side and that's where the pool is with the hot tub. Pretty fucking dope. No complaints. Yo, Bowser. Yeah, I got the world's only 2-story trailer. And this is my Ferrari right here. You see my Ferrari? Once I get all this shit, really I got to put the sauna together. I got to fucking put the squat rack together, and then I'll be able to put the world's only 3-row Lambo in the garage with my Lexus. Any payout recently? Where have you been? Miami. I've been getting payouts like almost weekly at this point. Autumn, what up? All right, so let me show you what I got going on. Yeah, let's see. How many payouts recently? Let's see. Here's Apex. Just got paid $3,900. I just requested $3,939 and got approved. And I already got the email saying that the payment was sent. So, and these 3 accounts, that's the second time I'm getting paid on all 3 of them. By the way, this is what I did with my Apex accounts. Those 3 accounts. So I got my flip day in the day I got approved, which was what? Tuesday. I got approved on Tuesday. I treated it like a flip day, so I don't run into the same issue when I get my 8 days in and I'm eligible. If I get my 8 days in, obviously. But I'm looking pretty good. So far, this is my first of 5 $50 days or more, $50 or more days, $312 to make them holla. And then these two were down over $1,000. And I got them back up 300. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to fucking call it a day. Stop Run, what up? Holy Earth, what's good? Yeah, bro. Carlos, man. I want to grab some more too, but I can't grab any right now. And then here's my Take Profit Trader accounts. By the way, Take Profit Trader is 30% off with no activation fee and 100% of your initial test fee refunded to you with the best fucking code 0DayJ. This is what I did, but you know what I'm annoyed about? You see right here, So I got filled at the 707 in one. I got filled in the 786 in the other in one more on these 150s. And I let myself get shaken out here. And then it fucking ran. Look how much it fucking ran. I got out at what? 210. It went up to fucking 337. Like, fuck, man. And then in these two, in the 50Ks, I caught this. I got lucky. This was like a 786. This was a 707 and 786 on this from this high. You see, guys, right here and right here, chat. And I caught it for fucking 260, and then it fucking popped. But man, I'm just tired of not holding on to my fucking winners longer, because I make really good trades a lot more often than not, and I don't hold. Yeah, we do have time. Yeah, Carlos, we do have time. I almost want to pass a bunch and hold on to them and not activate them and see if they bring back like the fucking $6 lifetime activation fee on, like the deal that they just had, which was kind of shitty, but the activation fee was only $6. See if they like bring that shit back. And then like have a bunch of past evals that cost me $20 and then, be all in for like 26. But I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to do it with all of them, but I might with some of them. You know what I mean? Cube, what up? Yeah. 65 ain't bad, but you're trading those bigger accounts, bro. So, but Cube, I'm going to say it. Cube just got paid 40 grand by Apex. You'll be all right. Oh, did you really? Oh my God. Yeah, bro. That sucks. Yeah. Because now your all-in cost is fucking 200. Is that a bird out there I hear? What the fuck is that noise? Yeah, I hear you, bro. That noise is weird. Rick, you passed 11 Apex and paid 6 PA fee all those. Yeah, bro. Yeah, so Rick's all-in cost on those PAs is what? On 50Ks? If they were 50Ks, what up, Maximus? If those are 50Ks, your all-in cost is like $43, which is fucking nuts. With the best code. Thanks, bro. Oh, I got to fix something, by the way. Hold up, though. Well, what else did I do? What else can I show you? Here's the NQ. Damn, that shit bounced fucking hard, bro. Oh, my God. 529 to 657. But watch. You see, guys? You see? Boom, there it is. We didn't quite hit the 707 from this high. From that low to this high. I think we go up higher. And then in a couple of hours, anything is fucking possible. Nice job, Bowser. Bro, I gotta get my fucking Lucid accounts back again. I don't even have a single eval right now. I'm kind of annoyed with myself. But these are my Take Profit Trader Pro accounts. I might be done for the day. But I'm not sure. We'll see. We'll see what the market brings. So that's that. What else did I do? Here's my trade day accounts. So I have 2 of them at 2,700 and I have 1 of them at 1,800. But I put them in a group together today because they all needed. I wanted to get 900 for all 3 of them. So I did that. And now we'll just see if I could push these over tomorrow or, when the market reopens, whatever. Motherfucker. I got to leave my ringer on in case somebody at the gate calls me. Yeah, Cube, you don't even necessarily Cube, don't you still have your other 20 accounts? You don't even necessarily need these yet. You know what I'm saying? So maybe by the time you need them, the activation fee will be, something better. There's always a trade-off. So that's trade day. Here's Take Profit Trader. Here's fucking Apex. I managed to get one eval before everybody flooded the site. And then here's Bullinox. Oh, oh man, green everywhere. I don't even know if I want to trade anymore today. I'm green everywhere. Why fuck it up? Well, all my funded accounts are green. All of my funded accounts are green. I might just leave them alone. I can't touch this one or the follower, right? Watch this. So check this out. I am 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Two more green days of 150 or more away from being able to flip the next 2 days and get my fourth payout on both of these accounts. And according to Bullinox, right? With Bullinox, you could what can you do with Bullinox? I could request down to the buffer, right? I can request more than 1,500 on the fourth payout. Is that correct? Rich, if you make 2K on a take profit trade, if it's a test account or an eval, and you made 2K in a day, what's gonna happen is they have a 50% consistency rule, so you're gonna have to grow that account to $4,000. So you might want to lose $1,500. The easy way to do that, is by grabbing ZB. ZB, you could flip ZB. Some bond or whatever, some fucking treasury bond or whatever bullshit, but round trip per mini is $35. So you could round trip, you could do 6 times 35, right? It doesn't move. 6 times 35, and then you could do that twice. So that'll be $420. And then do 2 times 35, and there's your 500. If it's a test account, it's not even intraday trailing, so you won't hurt yourself in terms of your drawdown. Holy Earth, thank you, sir. Kasalisk, yeah, but I don't know if I'm going to be on for it. I don't know if I'm going to be on. I might get off earlier. I might get off like in an hour and then come back on for it. I don't know. Yeah, no problem, Rich. So yeah, ZB. I think the new contract is ZBH if you're trading in Tradeovate, which you probably are. And you just do quick and you're good. Because yeah, you don't want to have to grow the account to 4,000, right? Who wants to do that? It's hard enough to get to 3,000. Why give yourself extra work? All right, so what the fuck? NQ. Nice little drop there. Is this even the VWAP? Let me get out of this fucking. I'm not even in the right account anyway. All right. Yeah, that's the fucking VWAP. Do you see that? The fucking VWAP fucking moved. Piece of shit. Let's see. Well, is it going to hold at the 707 or is it going to come down a little more? First edition of Pass or Smash. D-Gen, what up? No more Darrell in the new trailer. I might let Darrell back in if he does 90% off and $6 activation fee, even 40. Then he can hang out in my pool. You know? Yeah, Rick, I'm with you, man. Sometimes we just, we could be as disciplined as we want. Oh, my God. Why couldn't it just fucking come down a little more before it bounced? Enough points to pass. Ugh. Sometimes, you know, we could be as disciplined as we want, but sometimes this shit happens, man. Sebastian, what's up? Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. 40 with with 90% off would be amazing. I wish I would have gotten filled there. I also have these My Funded Futures accounts that I got halfway up yesterday. I would love to push these over and pass them. And I just missed an opportunity. We literally bounced. That is not the VWAP. That's the fucking VWAP again with this shit. But 23. Yeah, I don't know. This kind of looks like it wants to go down, but who knows? So that's what I got going on. I got to grab some Lucid accounts. I really want to. I really, really want to. Oh, man. We got a lot of movement today, considering usually it's just chilling. Look at that. Fucking crazy. Shit's been all over the place. Well, some will say we were in the same spot. We're in the same spot we've been since fucking 8 o'clock last night or 11 o'clock. Oh, no, 8 p.m. Eastern last night. But look at all this shit that happened. Here's gold. What's silver doing? This is a spot price. Yo, silver fucking went up. Silver was at 61.50. That's crazy. That's crazy. What do I want to do here? It's a nice little drop. Interesting. From that see this last low here. Look at that. It's fucking crazy. You see, guys? You see, hey, Ron, TJP, what up? P, what up? P shenanigan. Ron, they've been doing that for a while. I don't know if they're gonna do that out here though. I don't think they care out here. Jay Jackson, whoo! I gotta fix something. I'm here in my garage. Hang on a sec. Look at my toolbox. What? I said what? In the I gotta fix something. I got nuts and bolts, yo. What's in my refrigerator? I don't even know what's in here. Oh, a bunch of fucking waters and shit. My peptides in here, yo? Where my peptides at? All right. I gotta fix something. They did that. I'm looking at I'm changing like my automated timer thing, the bot posting thing in the chat. And Apex had a $10 lifetime activation fee with 80% off. Oh no, they only did $10 on the 100Ks. I remember that. $10 on the 100Ks. And then $40 on everything else. Yeah, $40 would be fucking pretty fucking cool. 90% off plus. All right. Cool. Sorry, guys. I do look fucking clean in here. That's crazy how clear my fucking face looks. Anyway, what's going on here, chat? Yo, AS. Yeah, Bowser, 90% off, bro. 90% off. Fucking nuts. But the activation fees are more now. Still, the 50Ks, the all-in cost on a 50K is $84. Still pretty fucking good. Oh, thank you, Casalisk. I appreciate it. Tim Morgan, what up, man? That's not what I wanted to do. Shit's kind of not moving right now. Do I have any open orders on this fucking thing? I'm fucking green everywhere. I don't know if I want to trade. Ooh, I canceled that order. I would have gotten filled there. Am I going to regret canceling it now? Am I going to regret canceling it? I just fucking hate the NQ. So far, I'd be fucking. Where was my order? 621. I don't know if you can see that. 621. I canceled just before because I was trying to get filled on that first pop. 616. I'd be down 1,000. Uh-oh. Oh, you fucking piece of shit. Investors, yeah, bro. They still have it. There was a time. I mean, right now, even so, it depends on where you're at, and you fucking motherfucker. It depends on where you're at in your journey, because if you're blowing accounts and you're having trouble holding on to an account, even if you're getting payouts, right? If you're having trouble holding on to an account for more than 30 days, on the 150, 250, and 300, you might be better off going with the 105 a month if you want to save money. You'll save $20 per fucking activation fee at 105 a month. That's in I don't know. I think that's what TradeOvate's activation fee is. I think Rhythmic and Well Charts is still cheaper. But well, here we go. I'm mad. I'm getting mad. 21. I don't know. This shit's fucking not. This doesn't really do anything for me. Oh, Am I in profit since day one? No, Leo. But I'm profitable this year, and I am profitable as fuck over the last couple of months. And that's all I can ask for. I will, if I continue on this fucking path, like I've done $33,000 since fucking October 16th. I'm at 118,000 on the year in payouts. Pretty good. I could finish who knows what I'm going to finish the year. Maybe I could get to 130. I would like to, even if I could get to, I don't know. I definitely feel like I have more payouts in me for the year, but I definitely found my edge. Sensei, what up? I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you, Leo. Daryl, what up? TJP, 195 away from a 2K payout. Butthole's tight. Oh, look. I would have had it. Actually, no, not yet. Not yet. My order was at 21. Fuck me, bro. I'm such a fucking asshole. I'm so fucking pissed. Why do I even care if I blow a $19 eval? Fuck me, man. There it is. That was enough. Actually, I would have needed 36.25, and that wasn't enough. Could you imagine one tick away from getting fucking taken out? Let's see if it pushes over. Oh, my God. Oh, there it goes. All right, there it is. That would have had it. Fucking piece of shit. Fuck me, man. Static FTMO account, 10K drawdown. 10K drawdown. How much is that shit, bro? What is it, like an $800 account? Money Viddy, what up? Money Viddy. 30% consistency rule. Do not trade with more than half of your max allowable contract. So on a 50K, don't trade more than 5 minis or 50 micros. I can't believe I fucking didn't get that, man. I canceled it. But you know what? This shit could have fucking dumped. And I don't know if it went up first. If it went up first and then came down, that would have been enough. That might have been enough points to fucking kill my drawdown. What else? And then they have a rule. This is the biggest one you got to worry about. There's an improper risk management rule that states if you go down more than 30% of your drawdown in unrealized losses, even if it's unrealized, it's a violation. And if you were to be able to request on that, you get denied, but you wouldn't lose your account. You just get your 5 clean days in, you flip the rest of the way, and you get paid. But it's based on if you're below the buffer. On a 50K, for example, it's based on 30% of 2,500 the whole time. And then if you're over the buffer, it's based on whatever your drawdown is to start the day. I hope that clears everything up. And then there's like a 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio rule, which I think I know what it is, but I don't know. Who knows? Talk to 10 people and they'll tell you 10 different things. $500? $500 for 10K worth of drawdown. I don't know, man. I don't know. You could get paid daily on it. Can we even trade FTMO in the States? Kevin Tobias. Yeah, it's been a little not for silver. Silver hasn't been slow. But yeah, it's been, it's been whatever. I mean, this is the 15-minute chart. I mean, there's definitely been opportunities with the NQ. And then here's gold on the 15-minute. Gold's just done having those crazy, it's cyclical. Gold was on a tear where it was having fucking 1,200 tick range days. You know, every day was like 1,000 to 1,500 ticks on the range from the top to the bottom. Now it's back to like 500 or 600, but it still moves every 14 days. Ill. I mean, dude, I get it, man. I know what you mean, but that reminds me of a fucking. You know what that reminds me of? You don't get $10,000 a drawdown every 14 days. That reminds me of like the pro fucking My Fund the Futures account. I could get the same amount of drawdown. You know, it's not static though. It's not bad. That's not a bad deal. I don't know. I'm not paying $500 for a fucking account anywhere. That's just me. Yeah, I'm with you, bro. You could swing trade too. I don't know. I'd rather have trade day. For the same amount of drawdown, it would cost me a little bit more on trade day. I can't even have that many accounts, actually. I can't even have that many accounts. Take profit trader, but it's intraday. Yeah. I don't know. I still think there are like I'd rather have 5 as much as I, don't love the fucking what are the core plans for My Fund the Futures. I could have 5 core plans for like fucking $300 and get paid faster than 14 days. I don't know. And it's end of day drawdown. I was trying to find Lucid, another one. I could get 5 Lucid accounts for less money and have $10,000 of drawdown with end of day draw, 10,000 worth of drawdown, and it's end of day trailing. I don't know. And I don't have to wait 14 days to get paid. I could get paid in 5, in as little as 5 days. You know what I'm saying? It's not a bad deal though, if you want to have it all in one place. Full tilt, long or short? I don't know, man. No, I'm with investors. I'm with you, bro. I fuck around. I fuck with those My Fund the Futures Pro accounts, which are like what, 30% off right now with the best code 0DayJ. If you're an existing user, and 50% off for new users. But like, I don't know. I just don't want to wait 14 days to get paid. In the bare minimum. A lot can happen in 14 days. Bob, for now, bro, I feel your pain. The same thing happened to me yesterday. It was actually Monday night. Gold did the same shit to me on a PA that was in really good shape and growing, and I blew it. It fucking sucks when it happens. Day one payout. Yeah, I mean, investors, you see me. I'm not fucking trying to get day one payouts anymore. If I could actually hold a fucking trade, if I could actually hold the trade for once. Oh, look at that. Fucking what a bounce. 70. That was fucking 45 fucking ticks. If I could hold the trade, these accounts would be growing faster, but I just haven't been able to hold good trades long lately for whatever reason, because I'm a pussy. But I'm not going, I'm growing these accounts, and I just want to get them over the buffer and just keep taking money from them. That's all I want to do. Even with the trade day accounts, when I get those funded again. I've done the day one payouts. Like I know I could do it again. I don't know. I'm just not in that mode right now. I'm just not in the full degen mode anymore. Doomslayer. Oh my God. Tory trades eyebrows. Like, you guys see me trail my stop. Like I move a trailing stop up when I'm in profit, and a lot of times I get shaken out. But at that point, if you're up $600, like Doomslayer, Mr. Beg Beef, 887, 146. Interesting. I mean, right here would have been 887, right? This looks like 887. That's a weird number, but you know what? So is 707 and 786 and 618. Sean, what up? Yeah. You know what I'm saying, Doom Slater, bro? At that point, you're up that much. Why not trail and at least get something? But I can't say it's never happened to me before. It happens to me all the time. It happens to me even now. Not all the time, but like that's why I trail, even though it costs me sometimes. A lot of times. I trailed tight. I trailed tight on in here. I trailed tight. I got shaken out, and I didn't want to get back in. And I was watching this cuck zone. I was like, ugh, I don't want to fuck around. And look what it did. It went up another 130 fucking ticks. See Charisse, what up? The 146 is like that's like that's like the revert. That's like the inverse of the 887 in a way. Well, it would be 854. The 854. It'd be the inverse of that. Why am I using the giveaway? What giveaway accounts? What do you mean? What do you mean? Yeah, Bob, for now, bro. I can't tell you how many fucking times like I'm like, oh my God, look at this fucking fib rejection. And then I finally get in TJP, I think until next week. It's until next week. I already got the email that my payout's being sent. I'll probably get the money by like Friday or Monday. You got, why is this not showing on my site? Let me hold up. There we go. 6 days, 12 hours, and 59 minutes. You got time. It ends December 16th. They said, Darrell said, I'll see you next Tuesday at 11:59 p.m. Eastern. By the way, guys, if you're not in the best community on these prop from streets, why not? It's free for now. We're working on, we're growing to 1,500 members. I don't know. Maybe we'll be able to do it by the end of the year, maybe not, but it's the best fucking community on these prop from streets, hands down. Marcine, what up? I'll add the 887. I don't really look at the 146 is up here somewhere. So when I'm at at that point, I already drew the fib going the other way. But I'll add the 887. I want to see what that does. There's a 707 bounce. Happy little 707 bounce. Look at this rejection here. 707 rejection probably. Watch this. It's fucking crazy. Like all day this shit happens, chat. You see, guys? Hey, chat. Look at that. You could fucking scalp gold all fucking day. 318, 50 fucking ticks. 50 fucking ticks. Can I add more? It won't let me add more. What's this? Maybe I do it here. 8.7. 887. Yo, what are you doing?
I'm just grabbing a hammer.
You grabbing a hammer?
Yeah, I need to do that. Is your setup?
For now. For now. Until we put all this shit together.
Huh?
Oh, well. Until my thing comes, I have to set what it is. Uh-oh. Hey guys, you want to see my hammer? It's not that, listen, Jay, let me teach you a life lesson, Jay. My son.
What the hell is it?
You want to know what the life lesson is? It's not the size of your hammer that matters. It's how you throw it at the nail, okay?
Scared of fucking.
Just remember that, always. Tori wants the hammer. I mean, even this little 707 bounce, how many ticks did that go up? 64 to 28. Oh, shit. Finally, the fucking fence guy's coming. Awesome. See you soon. I want to put a little... I don't want the dogs going into the pool area and fucking peeing and shitting over there in the rocks or whatever. So we're putting up a fence to stop them from going in there. Sly Fox. Konija, you like my hammer? Oh, my God. You always thought my hammer. Well, I am half Sicilian. Every nail ain't the same size, though. Yeah, that's true. Look at this shit go. Look, you see, guys, it's already, what is that? 30 something ticks. I would love 30 ticks. What am I missing here? Oh my God. Look, it came back here and then went back up. Fuck me. Look, you see, guys? You see, guys, from the low. Hold on, let me fix that. You see, guys? Look at that. Just look at it. That was a nice little bounce. 17 to what? It's 50. That's what she said, Maximus. That is what she said. Well, I'm in the wrong fucking account. What the fuck? I'm waiting for it to. Is this like a bull flag or are we gonna fucking drop? It's a trap. What up, Sanyel? Yes and no. I would like to load up on them. I just don't want to put all this extra pressure on myself and try to, trade fucking 20 accounts. Although I'm in a different place now, I probably would be okay. I just haven't been trading evals all that well lately. If that makes any sense? We're just cucking around until FOMC, man. And I'm just reluctant to fucking place any orders now because I don't know. Just not feeling it. Actually, let me fucking expand that. Huh. Huh. Yeah, Rick. I mean, what I like to do is whatever gets activated together, I like to trade together. So these two I activated on the same day, I put them together. These three, same thing. So I don't know. Tuan on. No, not $6. Not $6. The the 50, the 25, 50, and 100Ks are 65, and the 150, 250, and 300s are 125. All of the accounts are the same price though. They're all $19.60. Fuck me. See, I see some people would see this as fucking chop and cuck, but I see opportunity. Plenty of opportunities here. Here's this low, this high. Look, we bounced off the 707. And then here, from this low to this high, we rejected at the 786. I mean, even here. Oh my God. That's enough. I keep fucking passing on opportunities, man. I'm tired of it. I'm tired of it. That went up. Just enough. If I had the perfect entry, I don't know. I don't know what it wants to do. We got a new hour coming up too. I'm fucking tired. I've been up since like fucking 4:30 in the morning. Oh, there we go. You see, guys. Well, let's see. There's the 887. Let's see if it holds. Even if it doesn't this time, it doesn't mean anything. It just wants to go down more. Just watching this shit. Is this thing even moving? Is this thing on? like the 887 is like the last ditch resort, it seems, if it holds. Stock Butcher. I'll be back on later. O'Brien. No's going long. Yeah, Mr. Begbeef. I'm with you, bro. I am with you. I don't mind drawing a million of them, though. If anything, I just expand them. Because when I expand them, if I need to expand them, obviously you're much more experienced with them than me, or you've taken your understanding of them to a different level. I'm in the box of the 786, the golden shower pocket between the 618 and the 786. But I just expand them when it breaks down. Yeah, it might be. Just ain't right. It might be like a cookie thing or a cash thing. Try and like incognito. Yeah, there it is. Look. That's interesting. Let's see how much it fucking moves. Let's see how far this thing goes. See, in that case, I would have expanded it like this to this low. And now we're at the 707. It just saves you from having to do shit like that. Nice. Look at that. 48, 20 ticks so far. Kenny, I'm Millie. What's up? Yeah, I heard it's fucking freezing on the East Coast right now. 48, almost 30 ticks, 25 ticks. I see what you mean. Sometimes what you got to do. You got to find, you got to find your edge. You got to find what works. Even if it's one thing. You know what I'm saying? No, if it's one thing, that's all you look for. If it's not there, you don't trade. That's all. Yeah, that is a nice bounce. Very interesting, Mr. Begbeef. That went up 31 ticks so far. Yeah, I like the 887. I could, what's crazy? Like, I can't tell you how many times like I would have an order at the 786 and it would blow through it, and then it would wick below it and then bounce. And that was probably the 887 a bunch of times. Fizzly, what up? You could do it on Apex, I think. I don't think there's anything against it. Hedging between different accounts, different account numbers. I don't think it's still, I haven't heard anything about it being a problem. I think it's a problem with Take Profit Trader now, though. They don't want you hedging even evals, I don't think. Damn. Wow. That was 40 ticks. 40 fucking ticks. Oh, look, it just rejected off the 786. Amazing. All fucking day. Damn. Look at this. 786 bounce just about. How'd I miss this? Such a fucking... I keep missing really good fucking moves, bro. It's pissing me off. Keep missing them. Crank, what up? Hostile. You can't hedge and trade day either? Yeah, I don't even do that shit, man. I mean, if you want to do it from one prop firm to another, you still might be able to do that. Oh, man. Look at that. All right, here's what we're going to do. Well, I'm in a trade. Didn't want to go in full port because it might go up even more. Got exactly what I thought was going to happen. Exactly what I thought was going to happen. Let's see if the 786 holds. Probably won't, because I passed up on all those other really good opportunities. It's probably not going to hold. Uh, 11, Crank. Bubba's on tilt. What up? Yeah, see, I'm going to fucking blow this eval. Maybe not. This was the fucking opportunity down here. I canceled an order. Maybe I'll get it, but I canceled an order at 6:21 earlier in the hour. Come on, baby. Get down there. No? Yeah? No? No? I just don't want it to bounce and go up 12 points. Now that it's gone, now that I'm fucking, you know what I mean? You just need to keep going down. You guys can see that better? Hit that shit. Don't be a fucking cuck. Don't be a fucking cuck. How many points away is that? 3 fucking points away. It's going to go, watch it go all the way up and blow through my drawdown. Maybe not. Maybe I'm going to get it. Oh my God. 2 fucking points. Just do it. Oh, this shit drives me fucking crazy. Look at how close it is. 7 fucking ticks away. It couldn't just drop another 7 ticks for me. I'm here in my garage. I'm actually on a fucking crate that's full of books that I've read. I got my laptops are on knowledge. Take me out. What the fuck? Oh, thank you. Thank you. 15-minute orb breakout. We broke through the bottom orb there. Let's see what the NQ, the New York orb, is looking like. Well, hard to see that. Where's the top orb? Oh, here's the top orb. It broke out and then it came right back into it. Funny how that works. We got the nice rejection on the 786. You see that? You see, guys? You see, guys? Damn, did I bottom tick the NQ for once? Look at that. Look at me. I bottom ticked that motherfucker, yo. Nah, I'm chilling in the garage because my daughter, candle dealer. My daughter, she works at Starbucks and she's always waking up at 2:00 in the morning to open the store. And we're like another 10, 15 minutes further away from, in terms of her drive. So she's in the room right next to where I usually hang out. And my other daughter is still sleeping too. She's down the hall. So I just came in here. I figured I'd come in here. It's quiet in here. It's not cold in here. I'm waiting on something really cool in terms of my setup. I won't have to go anywhere when I get that taken care of. When my setup is, when my battle station is fully operational. Coming real soon. Speaking of which, that was nice. Now I'll have, I basically replaced the other account I fucking blew the other day. What's gold doing? Damn, look at that bounce off the 707. Amazing. Fucking amazing. 48. Well, based on the other fib I had, it was the 887, which is interesting. It went from 48. Dude, this shit went up fucking 52 ticks. Oh. All right, what can I trade next? I got to reply to someone's text. Ugh. What? The shit not working? I just had the electrician come and do this shit. Motherfucker. Hold on a sec. Maybe it's the fucking extension cord. Yeah, the fucking extension cord is fucking whack, yo. Shit's wiggity wiggity whack. K. Soliman, 1 hour. FOMC's in 1 hour. What's up, Vero? Vero, $65 for the 25, 50, and 100s, and $125 for the 150, 250, and 300s. They're all the same price, though. Here's the deal. I posted it in the best community on these prop firm streets. So every single account is $19.60 when you put in the best code 0DayJ. And then I gotta fix this actually. I forgot to put my code in. And then here's the activation fee. For these size accounts is 65, and for these size is 125. Use that fucking code, son. The best code. You guys can't even see this screen. What an idiot. All right, cool. I'm showing you a screen. I'm like I was on the right laptop. Here it is. So 90% off the first month. If you blow an eval, remember to cancel the subscription so you don't get pinged for 50% off, because it'll be a lot more. It'll be like $96 or some shit like that, or $93. Every single eval with Apex right now until the end of December 16th is $19.60 with the best code 0DayJ. As you can see, even Apex put that on their fucking Discord post. They said use code 0DayJ. The 25, 50, 100s are $65, $84.60 all in. The 150s, 250s, and 300s are $125, $144 all in. Ugh. On the big accounts, the last deal was better. Isn't it funny? Why can't they just make it better every time? I mean, if you want to grab these accounts because they're cheap as fuck, then do it. But maybe wait to activate them. I don't know. But that's the deal. That's Apex. Their mega sale. It's a mega sale. Little 618 bounce there. You see, guys? Rick, high trades. Crank, what up? Whole lot of crotch action. You like that? Oh, that's right. I was standing next. You saw did you see my package? Am I going to trade my test accounts during FOMC? If I can. I got someone coming to the house. I got the fence guy coming. He said he's 40 minutes out. That was 20 minutes ago. That was 20 minutes ago. Let's see what's going on in the house. Let's go in the house of DGen. Fence guy's going to be here in 20 minutes.
Okay.
Just letting you know. Say hello.
Why are you doing that?
Because you're beautiful and I want to show the world.
How many times do I have to tell you I do not consent to being on video?
What are you eating?
Yogurt.
Are we out of eggs?
No.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna make you your breakfast.
Oh, thanks, babe.
Jesus
I was just curious.
Yeah, I'm sure that's why you're asking.
I was just curious. You want to see the best dog in the world? There she is. You want to see the most jealous dog in the world? This guy shit on the fucking carpet today, on the stairs. This guy. The shit's kind of like not moving right now. Benny. Yeah, what's crazy though, like the promo that just ended, Benny. The whatchamacallit, the promo that just ended, you could have been all in with the big accounts, the 150s, 250s, and 300s for what? $84, which is the same price as that's the same all-in cost for the 25, 50s, and 100s right now. You could have been all in with everything for that price, actually. Everything was that price. It was $6 across the board. It was $78 across the board. But they made I don't know why they made the big accounts more expensive. I don't know. I never know why they do what they do. I don't fuck with those bigger accounts anyway. 50K is on my shit. Uh-oh, this shit is stalling. I would like to get these taken care of today. How hard can it be? How hard can it be, chat? Did my phone ring? Shit, these guys might be here. Let me just double check.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Thanks for coming out.
You want to go over the layout one more time? Just kind of
Yeah, sure.
double check it all, and then we'll get to work.
Absolutely. All right, so. Look at it.
me and you, that's separate, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, appreciate it, brother. We're gonna get to work, man.
Alright, thank
So,
you.
any other questions, just let me know, but. Yeah, so that gate in the back, if you're cool with how I'll make it work.
Yeah.
Just, I wish I would've seen that at the bottom. That's like the only way to do it, you know what I mean? Cause the last thing I wanna do is put that post in, it's just a problem for you, man, or, the gate hits that and it breaks it might be an issue.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So, I'll figure that out in the back, make it look good, and then, yeah, we'll just keep it going, so. Awesome. All right, man, appreciate it.
All right, thanks.
Sorry, chat. You guys still here? You guys still here? Yo. Nice job, F Trades. Nice job. Jay Clark. No, the activation fees are not $40 anymore. They keep changing them. Right now, the activation fees are this. $65 for the 25, 50, and 100Ks. There's a paint guy here. I'm not a paint guy. I got the fence guy here putting a fence in my yard to separate the pool from the rest of the yard so the dogs don't shit everywhere. Here's the activation fees. 125 for the bigger accounts and 65 for 100K and smaller. What did I miss here? Anything? Oh, wow. 7-8. Look at this 786 drop. 82, 70 fucking points. Oh. It's starting to get a little freaky. What's gold doing? Damn, gold just fucking look at gold. Shit's getting a little wild. Mr. Rogers, it's getting wild like Mr. Rogers. Interesting. This might go lower. Oh, AD, what up, man? AD. Chilling, bro. I think this goes lower. I wish I was fucking paying. Damn. That would have been enough to pass these. Actually, guys, I'm gonna bounce because I want to hop back on for Power Hour, but I'll be around. I will be around in the Discord. If you guys aren't in the Discord, let me drop the link in here in the chat. Okay, chat. Where you going? Oh, thanks, babe. My wife's going for a walk. You want to watch her walk? Yeah, look at that.
Am I gonna be your plane? Good. Okay, no worries. Yeah.
Oh, my battery's dying anyway. I don't have my charger. Let me drop the link in the Discord. I might hop on and stream in the Discord. I don't know. I'm thinking about doing it for a little bit. But I'll be back on for Power Hour for sure. Maybe I'll be back on in a little bit anyway. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. Where's the chat? Where's it? Here's the Discord. Yo, what up, JC? All right, guys, I'm going to bounce. I want to eat, and I want to come back on in a little bit. So hopefully I'll be able to come back on before FOMC. If not, I'll be back on before Power Hour. All right, guys? Thanks for hanging out. I'll talk to you guys soon. Smash the like button. Apex, 90% off. Use the best code 0DayJ. Take Proper Trader. 30% off, no activation fee. Trade Day, 40% off, no activation fee. Lucid, 35% off. I got to grab some Lucid accounts too. Fuck. Anyway, so on and so forth. Bull and Ice, 91% off. Yada, yada, yada. I'll talk to you guys soon. If I don't see you later, enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks again for hanging out. Peace.